Ready to snag a deal on your dream home? First, head over to Zillow.com and enter the location where you're hoping to buy. You can type in a city, neighborhood, or even a specific zip code. Once your desired location is loaded, click on the filters button located near the top of the page. It's usually next to the search bar. A menu will pop up. Scroll down until you see the price section, and then look for price reduction. This is where the magic happens. You'll see options like any, last 7 days, last 30 days, and last 90 days. Select the time frame that best suits your needs. If you're an eager bargain hunter, last 7 days might be perfect, but last 30 days gives you a broader view. After you've selected your price reduction time frame, make sure to click the Apply button, usually at the bottom of the filters menu. Now, your search results will automatically update to only show properties that have had their prices reduced within your chosen time frame. Look for the price drop tag on the listings. To stay ahead of the curve, click the Save Search button. This will send you email notifications whenever a new property with a price drop hits the market in your area. You can even customize how often you receive these alerts in your Zillow account settings. Happy house hunting, and may the best deal win.